Hey folks, welcome back to another video. Today we're looking at question 1084, sales analysis 3. The way we'll be solving this problem is by using join, so we can combine column A, which is product, and column B, sales, and we'll be combining them based on product ID. So let's just start with that, right? Let's break down the problem, smaller pieces. And we only care about two columns, right? We only care about the product ID, the product ID and the product name. So let's say select product ID and product name from the table product. Okay, let's just run this to see what we get. Okay, so we get the columns that we care about. The next thing is we need information from the sales table. So what we'll be doing is we'll be using the join, and we'll alias that as S. Alias basically means that you're renaming the table just in your code so that it's easier to access. So in this case, since we're aliasing product as P, this becomes P.product ID and P.product name. Join sales on. What are we joining them on? So it's product. P.product ID equals S.product ID, right? So if we try running this, it should give us the same thing as last time. Because I think it's the same last time too. But anyway, so we are getting the columns that we care about. The next thing that we need to do is actually filter it out, right? There are two things that we need to do. First, we need to give the unique product IDs and the name, so we don't need duplicates. So we'll do group by P.product ID, right? So in this case, we should just get 3 rows. Yeah, so it's basically grouping them. So it was 1, 2, 2, 3, and now since we're saying group by, it just gives us 3 columns. The next thing we need to do is do the dates, right? So having s.sales date, is that what it is? Yeah, sale date, to be greater than or equal to the first quarter date. So let's just copy this over, right? And sales dot, so basically there are 2 conditions that you're checking for. So the minimum of the sales date, right? The smallest of the sales date should be greater than or equal to 2019, and the maximum that should be is the last date of the first quarter in 2019. So what are we saying here? What we're trying to say is that only select the products that was sold only in this quarter. And the way we do this is by saying, okay, the minimum should be in the first quarter and the maximum should only be on the last day of the first quarter. So that way we are only picking products that were sold in that particular quarter and everything else is removed. So let's try compiling this to see if it's okay. The first few test cases are okay. Everything else is okay as well. Awesome. So if you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video. I really appreciate that. It keeps me motivated to make more videos. Thanks so much, and I'll see you folks soon. Peace.